Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more, or visit our website mugombionlineschool.com and enroll for a full course. Right, to enhance our understanding, let us simplify this example. ABCD is a rhombus where angle BAD is equal to 46 degrees. Find angle BDC. Solution: we have to first draw the rhombus, which is ABCD, like this, a rhombus, and angle BAD is equal to 46 degrees, like this. And then we are required to find BDC. So the angle which is required is this one. So for us to find this angle, we have to understand the properties. All opposite angle of a rhombus are equal. So this one is opposite to angle BAD, so it is equal to 46 degrees. And then another properties, all four sides of a rhombus are equal. This side is also equal to this one, also equal to this one and this one. But in this case, we just need this one, this concept. So an isosceles triangle is formed, which is this one and this side as well as this side. Is an isosceles triangle. So the base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. So this one is equal to this one, and let these be represented by letters B for the base angles, right? And then from the, we know that the base angles, this angle plus 46, will get 180 as the total sum of all angles in a triangle. And then we can simplify this equation, where we will simply say, to find this B, this is the same as half of 180 degrees minus 46 degrees, because B, we will simplify to half of 134 degrees, which becomes the required angle, which is BDC, is equal to half of 134 degrees, which is this angle, which is BDC, which is 67 degrees. Here it is half, because B plus B, that's 2B. And then if we simplify the equation, it becomes half of this one. So I want to test your math skills. Go ahead and calculate this angle. In other words, there's no need to calculate, just give me the size of this angle. I just want to test your math skills here. What is the size of this angle? So go ahead and answer the questions on quadrilaterals in this website to enhance your understanding. If you are new on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that bell icon.